so it's gonna be like a private cruise for me. That's the Yarra River in front.
Over there.
Over there.
Yeah, goes under the West Cape Bridge.
So in this pond, it's like the Yarra River is already mixing like the Tasman Sea.
No. So this is Port Phillip Bay.
Okay.
So Port Phillip Bay is 35 times bigger than Sydney Harbour.
Okay.
It's 1,930 square kilometres. It's huge.
Oh.
So there's about 265 kilometres of coastline.
Okay.
It takes maybe 3-4 hours for the big ships to get to the ocean, to get to the Tasman.
Okay.
Yeah.
So St. Kilda's is on this Port Bay area.
St Kilda's just straight over there.
Okay.
You see the orange building?
Okay.
Yeah, that's St Kilda over there.
What's this bay called again?
Port Phillip Bay.
Port Phillip Bay. Okay. Yeah, big group.
You see them both?
Yeah, like close to 10, I guess.
Might be one of them. Oh, is that a seal? I don't know what that is.
I think it's the fastest team in all of it is 25.
Is that a penguin? I don't know what it is.
I'm pretty sure we have around like 6 that. Yeah.
Well, did you see all that?
No one on board.
Did you see it?
See how far.
Did you see them both?
Bring the action.
you?
Good afternoon, everybody. It's a pretty nice and sunny afternoon out here. So,
It is. Before
yeah.
the rain.
Yeah, I mean, that's what we Aucklanders are always looking for, eh?
Yeah.
हो बादल पे पाँव है या छोटा गांव है अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है बादल पे पाँव है या छोटा गांव है अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है I just met a girl and she's from Woolla Mulla Wanda. I can dance and she can sing and we can rock the whole night longer. I just met a girl and she's from Woolla Mulla Wanda. I can dance and she can sing and we can rock the whole night longer. Woolla Mulla Wanda, 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 Woolla Mulla. Woolla Mulla Wanda, Woolla Mulla. Oh, slow motion अंग्रेजा, उड़ क्यों टाइम कमाए? Oh, slow motion अंग्रेजा, उड़ क्यों टाइम कमाए? सीधे बाहों में बढ़ ले ससरी क्यों लगाए तेरी विस्की है मेरी ठर्री है ओ मैनू चढ़ गई ओ मेरी सोहनी है रोकना टोकना ओ मुझको पीने तेरा जगे गुल मिल लौंडा गुल मिल लौंडा गुल मिल वांडा Woolla Mulla Wanda, Woolla Mulla Wanda. ऊंचे दरिया में उतरे सारा पानी गुलाबी और तू जो दरिया में उतरे सारा पानी गुलाबी टल्ली टल्ली हो लहरें मछलियां भी शराबी मेरी विस्की है मैंने चढ़ गई मेरी सोनी है नी चढ़ रोकना टोकना मुझको पीने दे अरे लाख लाख रोज आके घर जाते हैं इस शहर को दिल लगा के घर जाते हैं सोने की राहों में सोने को जगह नहीं शोला है या है बजरिया दिल की बिजुरिया मेलबर्न नगरिया शोला है या है बजरिया दिल की बिजुरिया मेलबर्न नगरिया